Hello, welcome to Someday Form. I'm Stephen Watson, and I'm here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thank you for joining us. Please stay tuned to the end, where I make my plea for your support, whether that's financial or otherwise. So you can certainly check us out, somedayfarm.org, and see all our links, or go to Linktree, look for Someday Farm on Linktree, and find all my links. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice a form, whatever form you have. Maybe it's new to you, maybe it's your first form and you've had it for many years. But practice the form and notice when you make a mistake. We usually kind of mentally note it and proceed on. Maybe we pause and kind of fix it. But what I invite you to do is to notice when you make a mistake, however small, whatever kind of counts for you as a mistake at this moment, in this practice session. I notice sometimes I'm more forgiving of mistakes, so I don't really count them as mistakes in a given practice session, whereas later I'll definitely call myself out on them. So whatever you're considering a mistake, when you make that mistake, consider starting the form, doing the opening move of the form before continuing on. So here I am making a mistake, and so I do the opening move of the form, and then I continue on. Or I merely mentally do the opening, here's my mistake, and then mentally I'm doing this, and then I continue. And the idea is that the beginning of the form is meant to help shift us into the mode, into the mood, into the state of Tàijíquán practice, right? So let's take advantage of that and revel in that fantasticness of the practice. Thank you very much, and go be fantastic to your art.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.